again. Got another hog. Now the question is that pig gonna drop, or is that hog gonna roll? Tell you what, we'll find out after a message from our sponsors.
Put your orders in. We're stocking up on Smoky Oak Moonshine. Bohemian Hunting Club. Smoky Oak Moonshine. Guaranteed to tear you up and let you down every sip. Smoky Oak Moonshine.
I tell you what, after seeing that, I think I'm gonna have to order me a case of that Smoky Oak. Good. Now let's get back to that hog.
Well, took a shot on them pigs, and as you can see, it missed. Going by the video, looking like I'm shooting high on it. So I put a jug down there, a pig out, and there's an O on it. I'm not going for the pig head on it. I'm going for the O on out. Alright, I was aiming for the O. I got it right there. And I wasn't going to do no more than one shot, so all I did was I've been using a little rest in there, and it seemed like it was wobbly, so I figured, hell, I'm going to try without it, and that's what I did right there. So